one email, one button, one rushed decision. That is all it can take for someone to put an account at risk. Most people think phishing is only a technical attack, but in reality, phishing usually starts with psychology, pressure, fear, urgency, and a message that looks just real enough. In this video, you will learn how phishing works from a defensive point of view. You will see 5 common red flags, and you will learn what to do before you click a suspicious email. Before we continue, this video is for cybersecurity education and defensive awareness only. We will not create phishing pages. We will not collect passwords. We will not target real people or real companies. Everything shown here is simulated. The email, the company, the user, and the domain names are all fake. Never test, scan, attack, or trick anyone without written permission. Let's imagine a fictional employee named Alex. Alex works at a training company called Northbridge Training. It is Monday morning. Alex is busy, tired, and checking emails quickly. Suddenly, Alex receives an email that appears to come from IT support. The subject says, "Mailbox storage warning." The message says Alex's account may be disabled today. The email says, "Dear user, your mailbox storage has reached 98%. To avoid account suspension, please verify your account today." At first glance, the email looks professional. It has an IT support name. It has a warning message. It has a button, and it creates a feeling of urgency. But that is exactly why phishing works. Phishing is a type of social engineering. That means the attacker is not only attacking a computer, they are trying to manipulate a person into taking an unsafe action. The goal may be to steal a password, trick someone into approving a request, open an unsafe attachment, or make the user reveal sensitive information. The main trick is pressure. Phishing emails often make the situation feel urgent. They want you to react first and think later. Now let's analyze Alex's email like a security-aware user. We are not clicking anything. We are only looking for warning signs. Red flag number 1, the sender address. The display name says IT support, but the actual sender address is support@northbridgealert.invalid. That does not clearly match the company. This is a common trick. People often trust the display name, but the display name can be misleading. Always check the actual email address. Red flag number 2, urgency. The email says Alex must act today to avoid account suspension. That pressure is intentional. Phishing works best when people feel rushed. Red flag number 3, the link or button. The button says verify account, but a button label does not prove where it really goes. A safe habit is simple. Do not click unexpected login links from emails. Instead, open your browser manually. Go directly to the official website or application. If you are unsure, ask your IT team through a trusted channel. Do not reply to the suspicious email. Do not enter your password. And do not click the button. Red flag number 4, generic wording. The email says "Dear user." That alone does not prove it is phishing. But when it appears with urgency, a suspicious sender, and a login button, it becomes much more concerning. One warning sign may not prove an attack, but several warning signs together should make you stop. Red flag number 5, the request itself. Ask yourself one question. Would your IT team normally ask you to verify your account this way? If the request feels unusual, stop and verify before taking action. A few seconds of checking can prevent a serious mistake. So Alex has found 5 warning signs. The sender address looks suspicious. The message creates urgency. The button cannot be trusted. The greeting is generic. And the request feels unusual. Alex should not click the button. Alex should not reply to the email. Alex should not enter a password. The safest action is to report the email to IT or the security team. Now let's look at this from the defender's side. Security teams do not only look at one email. They try to understand whether more users received the same message. They may check the sender domain. They may inspect the link safely. They may look for similar emails. They may review sign-in activity. And they may check whether anyone reported or interacted with the message. The goal is not just to delete one suspicious email. The goal is to understand the risk. Did anyone click? Did anyone enter credentials? Did any account show unusual activity? Protection tip number 1, slow down. Phishing works best when people rush. A few extra seconds can prevent a serious mistake. Tip number 2, do not click unexpected login links. Open the official website yourself. This simple habit removes a lot of risk. Tip number 3, check the real sender address. Not just the name you see first. The actual email address matters. Tip number 4, use multi-factor authentication. MFA is not perfect, but it adds an important layer of protection if a password is exposed. Tip number 5, report suspicious emails. Do not just delete them. Reporting helps your IT or security team protect everyone else. One common mistake is thinking phishing emails always have bad spelling. That is not true anymore. Many phishing emails look clean, professional, and believable. Another mistake is trusting a logo. A logo is easy to copy. Trust should come from the sender, the link, the request, and the context. Here are the key takeaways. Phishing attacks people's attention and emotions. Urgency is a major warning sign. Do not trust unexpected login links. Check the sender carefully. And when in doubt, report it. If you are learning cybersecurity, phishing awareness is one of the best places to start. It teaches you how attackers think, and more importantly, how defenders respond. In the next video, we will build a safe beginner cybersecurity lab, a place where you can practice legally without touching real systems. Subscribe for safe cybersecurity lessons, ethical hacking labs, and beginner-friendly explanations. And comment below, which phishing red flag do you check first? Remember, learn safely, practice legally, and never test systems you do not own or have permission to test.